Good morning, guys. So today we are here at Miles Square Park. Decided, obviously, we're here to do some fishing. When we pulled up, there was literally, the truck was here that just stocked the lake. So we're in luck today. So we're gonna try to see if we can get hooked up here. So if you've never seen Miles Square Park's lake, it's the big one. They have a couple, but we're fishing the big one today. So all these people, we're gonna try our luck today and see what we can hook up with. See you later, guys. All right, guys, we are still at it.
Look, so before the fish.
And literally, so you gotta understand when these fish get stalked that they're a little bit disoriented, but we can't catch them. But there's literally fish right here. I don't know if you can see that. There's literally a little trout sitting right there. I could reach in and get it,
Right there.
but that's not the kind that we're trying to do today. Just hanging out, mocking us. Talking to you. What a trip. So we've been playing with him, trying to get him on a rooster tail, a spoon, some trout magic. He's not interested. I guess he's trying to get his bearings. It's a really nice day out here though. Super cool, super overcast. It should be the ideal day to catch trout, but we're waiting. Well, a bite's better than nothing. That was a good bite.
Oh, Kelly was on a fish, but she keeps yanking it instead of just keeping it tight.
Oh, it's that red dough.
No, she keeps doing the same thing though. Like she's supposed to just hook it,
And then keep it up.
but she
Oh, is it
Go
on?
ahead,
It's
yeah.
Oh,
on.
it's on.
time to drag a little bit.
It's already here.
Go ahead. You're over here on mine.
Oh, I'm all up in your
Yeah.
line.
Yeah.
Which side of it is it on?
Don't worry, it's right here. It's coming. It's coming. All right, AJ.
All right. It's a giant.
Yeah, it's on power, man. This is that one.
Really?
All
Sparkle.
right. Everybody, switch up your colors.
Let's go. It's a small little one right here. Let's go.
So how's it feel, huh?
My
Huh?
God.
No skunk today.
So we're one. Yeah, we're one away
Put
from
it down,
skunking
AJ.
out.
Put it down.
All right. It's not a giant, but we can eat it. Did it swallow it? Yeah, it must have swallowed it for me to pull it in.
So what did it do? Just stop moving when she thought she lost it?
Yeah.
All right, give me the pliers.
Pliers.
Well,
They're in.
we
I saw
might.
some in there.
I think we have the little red thing in there. To take the hooks out.
I think it's checking there.
Yeah, it swallowed it. Oh my God.
Let me see. Oh, I can see it.
Oh,
I can see it.
just broke off. Well, we don't need
That's
the
fine.
pliers anymore.
All right, well, bring the basket out and put it in the
You
basket.
don't need the pliers anymore?
He is strong for such a little guy.
Yeah.
The bait phone is on.
Baby, you gotta bring the basket all the way up. Yeah, he broke the hook, so we're just gonna leave it in there.
All right, and the bottom's good.
Look at that, AJ.
All
You didn't get
right.
skunked.
Hey, and I wanted to freaking.
It was so weird too. I thought he got off, but I guess he was swimming towards me. He was bringing himself in.
Yeah, should we switch all of them to red?
No, but you can if you want to switch it off on yours.
Yeah, I kind of.
And just walk backwards.
AJ.
Right there.
Oh God.
Wait. Go walk it back, walk it back.
Alright.
Get it.
We went behind the rock.
Woo!
Scared me.
You get up there.
I'm even happier now because I know it wasn't an accident, you guys. This is awesome.
She's the only one catching them, huh?
Yes.
Go figure. Teach her how to fish, and then she outfishes you, right?
For what? And you know what? They're swallowing it. They are swallowing it.
Well, let's look for the pliers.
And that's a pretty big one.
Yeah, let's try not to have to put another hook on it.
Why would I get into it?
Oh, my dad's calling me right this second. Where's the
You know what? I have one. I just can't find it.
I don't know where it is, and I've never used one of these, babe.
Oh, here. Oh, you shook it.
We're on luck today.
All right, fish on.
Hey,
Ooh, number 3, guys.
When it gets hey, keep it up. Make sure when you get close, scoot back.
One might be a little bit bigger.
Here, come on this side. You're on top of my line or under it. No, keep reeling, keep reeling. Get your pull down a little bit.
You're right. Oh, you're gonna be good. Oh gosh.
Get this one.
Got it.
That's a better size.
All right.
All right.
Let's go back over there. Put it on the concrete.
Will you grab the pliers? Grab the
I know. I got the things over there, Kelly. We've just found ours. Here, AJ, pull them out of here.
My heart's
Pull
pounding.
one of those out.
I'm trying to figure out. Oh,
Oh, he's off. So
He's off.
don't you dare.
Put it down.
hook on. Okay, let me bring in that thing.
Oh, cool. It just came right off.
Well, I think the hook's in
Oh, did he break it?
It's in his throat.
Oh.
Telling you, they're just
Here.
swallowing
Oh,
that
they are
bait.
getting bigger. Yeah, that one's
Here,
a
hold this.
pretty big thing. Oh, it's not on. Is it? Oh, yeah, it is.
And she's the only one getting bites, man.
How far you can see? Not far.
Not that far, no. She's only going about maybe 15. We're casting about 20 feet, but we're reeling in. But like I said, it's only her pole. None of the other ones are getting them.
Yeah, I have the same bait on.
It's good for her YouTube.
Trying to get a channel, you know, like everybody. If I could do this all day for a living, how awesome would that be?
Next time I put that. So we glad we didn't stay home today?
Oh my gosh, they like that salmon egg red. They are swallowing it. All 3 fish swallowed it. Like, that's the hot color today at Miles Square Park, for sure.
AJ, how's it feel to get outfished by your mom?
Okay. It's a fish. I mean, I still get to eat.
You the bigger one?
Yeah.
You know, we gotta have more at home.
Yeah, we got more at home too.
I wonder what. I just can't believe all the bites have been on that one
I
pole.
know.
That one pole right
I
there.
think so. They're all right here. They're probably in a big store here in the middle.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Maybe there's a school right about there, about 20 feet in there. Maybe they like mom's cigarette fingers.
Oh, stop. That kind of fish.
I don't know, but let's hope they keep biting.
Is my line tight?
Like we were here for like almost 3 hours with no bites.
Yep.
And then all of a sudden we started catching them.
But you know what? Next time we come, that might not even be the color that they want.
Yeah, every time we come it's a different color. Corn was getting them like crazy the other day here.
Yep.
And there's that guy trying to look for
Tell you where the fish are.
trout and trying to eat more of the trout.
Little thief.
Look at him, he's just looking for that trout.
Oh yeah, that hawk almost got it.
Yeah, what happened?
That hawk dropped it.
There's a hawk?
The hawk tried to grab the trout. It had it, but then dropped it.
Oh,
It slipped out.
that would have been nice to see it catch on video.
Right?
No, no.
Lucky lucky trout. He'll live to see another day.
Who knows? What if you caught it?
I know, like, might be like catching that trout.
Oh yeah, Mom already put it in. Trout all right here.
The wind's died down a little bit. That's good.
Yeah, right when you say that, it's gonna pick up.
I know. It doesn't matter what body of water you go to. It seems like there's always got to be a little bit of wind. Hey guys, so we're gonna go ahead and just finish up the day. Pretty much made it out with like 3 fish. We got a few more bites, but that was about it. But we did okay. Not bad, right? As long as you're getting out. All right guys, so we kept on fishing. We got a few more bites, but that was about it for today. So we're going home with 3 fish for fishing day at Miles Square Park. So we had a good time, and we will see you guys next time.